Cooking pinakbet na malunggay. First, prepare all the ingredients. Garlic, onion, ginger, tomato, after that, put all the ingredients on the pan. The malunggay. Next is yung mga hiniwan nating bawang, sibuyas at luya. Sunod, lagyan na natin ng pampalasang bagoong at magic sarap. Then, lagyan natin ng 1 cup of water. Then, isaing na po natin. After 15 minutes, kapag ganito na yung consistency, ay pwede na. Then, this is the finished product. Thanks for watching!